He did it for fun, see if he goes back.
Maybe he'll go back. Wow.
Okay. That's a riot.
Former Vice Presidential nominee, Republican Jack Kemp, was campaigning on Lieberman's behalf.
He's just walking around.
He did it for like 5 minutes. What's he looking in the mirror?
Yeah. He's dancing in front of the mirror. Go check out the mirror, baby. Go say hi to the mirror. Go say hi to the pretty little bird in the mirror. Whoa, whoa! Hey, look, get away from there. Oh, ha, oh, 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 ah, get away from there. Get. Oh, my.
Get on your toes?
I wish it were my toe he was on. Okay, here we go. Yeah, you think it's funny. Years later, I'll laugh about it too, but not now. Woo! Is this? Oh, boing! I think there's another. Yeah. Hey, come back. Hello. I see you. I don't see you. I see you. I don't see you now. I see you. Come on. Okay. I'll leave you to your privacy. You trying to close the bathroom door? Hmm? You want us to do some birdie doody? Wow, here comes. Oh, let me see your license. You know, I don't think you know how to drive like that, actually. Whoa! Yeah. Who's that pretty bird there? Huh? Are you jealous of that other bird? So,
Pretty good.
Yes. He's really strutting his feathers here.
Does he actually look right in the mirror?
Yeah. In a day or two, you'll be able to see proof of it on YouTube. Okay. Hi, baby. Hello. Oh, answer the phone. Hey, Kevin. You think so, huh? Come on.